I would like to demonstrate like how we can configure the different preferences so that the test execution is happening properly. So for that, in the similar line, we can go to this preferences page, and in the mobile device cloud tab, you could see some new fields are added like pCloudy device cloud environment. Here you could define the pCloudy host, username, and the API key. So all of these fields you can define here, and then you can say apply, and these preferences are there. API key, as you will log in, you can get it from the settings. Yeah, this is the one. You can simply get the API key from here. Username is your email ID, and the cloud host that currently we have is poc.pcloudy.com. So this is how we can configure our credentials. And now I will come to the execution part. So this is a simple Microsoft to do app test, which I recorded on one of the local emulator. And now I'm going to execute it on pCloud Android device. Any questions till now?
I mean, like, how do you get the to the app there on the pCloudy device?
Yeah, sure, I will tell that. So on the pCloudy, we have an option to upload our APK files for Android as well as IPA files for iOS. So how you can do that is you can go to this My App Data after logging into the browser, and here you have option this upload file, and once you say upload, so you can browse your APK file, whatever you have, or maybe the IPA file, and you can simply upload it. So once you are done with the uploading, after that, you need to install your app over the device where you want to execute. So for that, you need to go to the devices tab. You need to open the device, and once you open the device, it will come like this. In few seconds, it will correct. Yeah, so now you can see the device open here. So you could see that this is now we can interact with the device as we do with the real device, like swipes, clicks, everything you can do. So now you have two things. One is that you can do it from the Play Store also, or maybe if you want, you have the APK file uploaded, so you can simply click here, install, and then here you will see your APK files that you have uploaded, and it will install it. So this is how you can install the application on the pCloudy device, either from the Play Store or maybe from the APK if you want to upload your own APK. I hope that answers, Madhu.
Yeah, thanks, Abhishek.
Abhishek, when you install an APK, there's an option or settings to install applications from unsigned sources. Is that should also be enabled?
Yeah, if we are directly installing any APK file, so that option should be properly handled. Like the device should allow installing application from the unknown source.
Okay, sure.
Otherwise, it will give a prompt while you install the application from the APK.
Got it, sure.
Yeah. So similar line, you can do the same with the iOS device also. You can either download it from that app store, or you can install from the IPA file. So once you are done with it, it's very important to release the device from here so that it becomes available for us for the execution. So now you can see that for some time this device will be in the busy state because we just opened it. It takes some time to release it. Meanwhile, I will show you like what all different combinations we have. Like if you go ahead and try to execute a WebUI test also on the pCloudy devices, so you can see that in the run wizard of the WebUI test, you can see that the two pCloud devices will be listed. One will be the Chrome browser of the Android device, and one will be the Safari. So as you can see here that the Android device was busy, so it's not getting listed here. Only you can see the Safari, pCloudy, and the name of that iOS device. We are showing the device here only when that device is available. Similarly, for the iOS test, if you go and try to execute any iOS test on the pCloudy device. So in the playback wizard of the iOS test also, you will see the pCloudy device listed. I will just quickly show that. And well, this device you can see has also getting released. This is blue icon is so available, and this yellow orange maybe is in use. So here you can see that on the top pCloudy column, this Apple iPhone 8 Plus is listed here when we are trying to execute the iOS test. So now let's do an execution on this Android device. So here you can see that along with the emulators that I do have, we can see the pCloudy device is also listed. So I'm just selecting it and just finish. You can see in the similar line, the Unified Report is launched, and here we can see that we can see the live view of the execution as well. So here we will go to the report. So in the My Active Sessions, we can see the currently running session which is going on. And if you click on this right icon, you can see the live streaming of the device, like what's going on there. So it has launched the Microsoft Studio app. Yeah, please.
I was going to say, none of this we need to do because it should also be in our unified report, which is the bit we care about, right?
Sorry, Chris, I could not get that point. What you said, please come again.
I'm saying that all of the actions that are being taken in the pCloudy thing, you know, I don't have to have that screen open. I don't have to have the live view open. I can see all of the steps in our report, right? So that you can do this without ever opening pCloudy in a browser tab, is the point.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, we can see the live reporting here as well. Yeah, correct. So we can see here the progress, like the steps we had in our test, those are performed, and you can see the device name here, and also in the carousel we can see that. Yeah. So this is how a complete test execution looks like from the pCloudy side. And anytime we can go to the reports, and at the pCloudy side also we can see the different kind of logs, like CPU logs, memory logs, and all which pCloudy has provided the support.